Healthy dessert for the family. Pour water into the saucepan. Add sugar. Agar. Boil for 15 minutes. Pour a little jelly into the saucepan. Slice the kiwi into thin slices. Put the kiwi into the saucepan. Add slices of strawberry and persimmon. Peel an orange. Slice the orange and put it into the saucepan. Slice the bananas into thin slices and place them among the other fruits. Peel the pomegranate. Place it among the fruits. Pour a little jelly. Add banana slices. Pull the white grape berries off the bunch. Put into the saucepan. Add persimmon. Remove the seeds from a pear. Cut into small pieces and put into the saucepan. Fill the saucepan alternating layers of fruit and jelly, then chill the saucepan for 30 minutes. Grind the strawberries in a blender. Pour the juice into the saucepan. Add sugar. Pour water. Add agar. Pour the strawberry jelly and chill for 1 hour. Boil the milk. With cocoa, sugar, ginger, cinnamon, vanilla essence, salt. Add dark chocolate and stir until it melts. I can't get enough of this colorful dessert with lots of fresh fruit.